thought behind this is that the businesses operate in take, make, and dispose model, using resources one and then discarding them. But nature doesn't work like that. Everything is having a purpose. And Re-Circulate is created for the industries to break free from the wasteful cycles and transition towards circular economy. So in circular economy, the materials are reused, repurposed, and regenerated instead of being wasted. So now businesses, those achieve circular economy, how they can show it to the world that how circular they are. So that's how Re-Circulate is there, supporting the businesses and organizations to showcase their circular economy initiatives to the world. Yeah. So why businesses don't adopt circularity is because we are looking at if they don't become circular today, we think that we are looking at an irreversible crisis like landfill overflowing, oceans drowning in plastics, and the resources running out. Every year, about 92 million tons of textile waste end up in the dumps, and over 8 million tons of the plastic pollution into the oceans. So, where we are heading to, businesses include medium scale industries, including medium scale industries, have the power to change this trajectory, and Re-Circulate provide them a roadmap that how they become circular. So we think that the consumers have right to know that which companies are truly circular, and Re-Circulate can help them to showcase that how circular they are. Circular economy is also one of the most important parameter that is required into the ESG reporting, and it mandates there's a particular question into the ESG BRSR framework that talks about that how circular you as a your industry is. So Re-Circulate can help them to showcase that to what percentage they are circular. So people deserve to support the brands that heal the planet, not those harm it. So there are various myths about circular economy. Yes, the biggest myth is that sustainability is expensive, but no. In reality, the companies those adopt circular economy models see around 30% of the cost saving through their waste reduction and the resource efficiency. Another misconception is that only big corporates can go circular, but even the small businesses can make a huge impact by rethinking or packaging, looking at looking at their supply chains and their product life cycles as such, their production methods. And there's a lot that can be done into the circular economy and developing the circular supply chains. Yeah. So, if any industry creates waste, and then you as an industry, if you need a circular strategy, either you are manufacturing industry or retail, automotive, packaging, or a tourism industry, you have a huge potential to turn your waste to your advantage. Whether it's eliminating a single-use plastic or repurposing the material into the production, every business can make circularity work from them, and that's how we are here as a Re-Circulate from Krįstähl at your service.